Whether you're shooting stills or video, the best drone models make it easy to shoot cinematic aerial images. We've flown all of the top drones for countless hours to test everything from camera quality to flight controls in the real world. Our favorite options are ranked in the list below. Based on our tests, we think the best drone for most people is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Weighing less than 250 grams, it offers an impressive set of features for such a compact model, including a capable camera and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. It's also safe and easy for novices to pilot, making it one of the best beginner drones. It's not the cheapest option though. That's why we've also tested drones in a range of different price brackets. If you're looking for a cheap, simple choice to get off the ground, we suggest looking at the Rise Tello, which we recommend for buyers with a limited budget. If you're a professional pilot with more to spend, we think the triple-camera DJI Mavic 3 Pro is one of the most versatile flying machines on the market for aerial photography and video. It even won the Best Camera Device of the Year at the TechRadar Choice Awards 2023, ahead of dedicated mirrorless cameras. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best drone top flying cameras for all budgets and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro. With a lightweight build and pro-grade features, the DJI Mini 3 Pro was previously our favorite drone. The Mini 4 Pro builds on its qualities to deliver an even better experience, albeit not a radically different one. If you already own a Mini 3 Pro, it probably doesn't justify an upgrade. But if you're switching from a different model or buying your first mini-series drone, it's an excellent choice. Its small, folding design is almost identical to the Mini 3 Pro, as is the regulation-friendly 249 grams takeoff weight. Also the same is the 1/1 3-inch sensor, which still delivers excellent image quality. Thanks to processing updates, we found it even better at handling noise in low light. Serious videographers will also welcome the new D-Log M color profile, which offers greater consistency with the Mavic 3. Obstacle avoidance is now omnidirectional, meaning the Mini 4 Pro is even safer than its predecessor when it comes to operating indoors or near trees. We also found Active Track 360 degrees highly effective, making it an easy drone for beginners to fly confidently. If you can afford the DJI RC2 controller option, you'll have the best backpack-friendly drone bundle. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. If you're a first-time buyer, the Mini 3 is the best budget drone you can buy. It's small, lightweight, and much more affordable than the Mini 4 Pro. It lacks the obstacle avoidance that its pricier sibling offers. However, if you're confident enough to navigate obstacles without DJI's automated safety feature, then the budget-friendly option delivers identical image quality, 4K video at up to 30 fps and excellent JPEG and RAW images. Its 12MP sensor also rotates to shoot in portrait, handy for social. What you don't get is log color profiles, and that will limit the Mini 3 appeal to professionals who need the editing flexibility for video files. Another notable absence when compared to Pro drones is subject tracking. However, DJI's Quick Shots feature is present and a treat for beginners, allowing them to plot an automated flight path and potential capture engaging video sequences. This is an easy drone to start your piloting journey, especially if you get it with the optional controller, and with the downward vision sensors and GPS that help with precise hovering. You'll get better image quality and increased stability in windy conditions with Pro drones like the Mavic 3 Classic, but the Mini 3 is the one for budget buyers. Number 3. DJI Air 3. Clearly sitting between the Mini series and Mavic Pro series of DJI drones is the Air series, and the latest model is the Air 3. Novices will find a sub-250 grams model like the Mini 3 more manageable than the Air 3, but you can enjoy much better wind resistance with the larger model, plus a generous 46-minute flight time. We also think beginners will get to grips quickly with the Air 3's easy interface and safety features, such as obstacle avoidance. As a drone with 720 grams takeoff weight, the Air 3 is placed in Europe's C1 category and that comes with flight restrictions, meaning you need to keep a greater distance from people and animals in events to be safe and legal. However, you can still get close to the action thanks to the Air 3's new 3x telephoto lens. It's a significant inroad from the capable but single-camera Air 2S from 2021. The Air 3's dual cameras are versatile and offer class-leading image quality. Its fixed aperture lenses can prove tricky for shooting video with ND filters and variable light, but the 3x zoom lens makes the Air 3 a much more versatile aerial camera than the Air 2S. Number 2, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI's new flagship consumer drone was awarded Best Camera Product of the Year in the TechRadar Choice Awards 2023, and with good reason. It's the first consumer drone to feature 3 cameras, ideal for aerial photography and filmmakers who need the most versatile drone on the market. The Mavic 3 Pro's main camera is the same one used by the Mavic 3 Classic and its 20MP 4/3 sensor, and offers the best image quality of the 3 cameras, together with its adjustable aperture, pro-tier video formats, and frame rates. That said, if you need the extra reach from the main 24mm focal length of this camera, both 3x and 7x telephoto cameras produce excellent images. As a pro drone, the Mavic 3 Pro is also incredibly easy to fly even in windy conditions and accessible to all users, thanks to its excellent safety features and intuitive controls. Although it's in the restrictive C2 European drone category because of how heavy it is. Another sticking point is its price that makes it overkill for beginners. However, it's a more portable and less expensive option for pros than the Inspire 3. Plus, it's even more versatile. Number 1. Autel Evo Lite. Plus, Autel's latest lineup of DJI rivals. The Evo Lite Plus goes directly up against the Air 2S, capable of shooting 5.4K footage at 30 fps using a 1-inch sensor. It shares a remarkably similar spec sheet, but it also both leapfrogs the Air 2S and the Mavic Pro 2 with its 40-minute flight time and adjustable aperture, ranging from f/2.8 to f/11. The Lite Plus model does lack the fourth axis stabilization of its Evo Lite sibling, but the larger pixels on its sensor give it better light gathering potential in dim conditions. Pro drone videographers might think twice about the lack of 10-bit video and D-Log profile, while the omission of side sensors for obstacle avoidance is a shame. But in all other respects, we found the Lite Plus to be an impressively versatile piece of flying camera equipment in our review. For the money, its 20MP sensor is probably the best camera available on a drone today, which gives the Air 2S some serious competition.